Well, we are leaving for Disney World in less than 24 hours. I wanted to go through my kids' carry-ons one last time, make sure that I put everything in there that I wanted to have in there. And I thought it would be nice to make a little video as I did that to give other people ideas for what to put in kids' carry-ons. We are by no means professionals, but we've done a little bit of traveling with our kids, and we feel like we have a pretty good handle on what are the things that are essentials that we have to have while we're traveling. This airplane flight in total is going to be probably over 7 hours for the kids to be on an airplane, so it's a long time. So I want to make sure that I have everything in their carry-ons to keep them occupied, happy, busy, all those things. So we are headed on my 4-year-old daughter's Make-a-Wish trip to Disney World. We're going to be staying at Give Kids the World, an amazing village for Wish families, and I have my carry-ons for my 6-year-old daughter, my 4-year-old Wish daughter, and my almost 2-year-old son. He's actually going to be turning 2 on this trip on the day that we come home. So I'm just going to quietly be going through these carry-ons because the kids are still asleep and I'm trying not to wake them up, and making sure I have everything that I need. I'm going to start with my oldest daughter's carry-on. So she has a bigger backpack. The plan is that they can each carry their own carry-ons. And she put a couple of things right on the top here the other day. Her favorite stuffed lovey, which we will try our very hardest not to lose. On one trip we thought we had lost it, but it turned up. And then she put this little chain in here, which is something she had gotten from one of her surprise toys on one of our other trips. Surprise toys are our secret traveling hack. She remembered that from the trip and wanted to have it on this trip. We've got some headphone cords, which reminds me I still need to be finding some headphones to pop in here. I've got 1 pair, but we need 3 pairs, 1 for each kid. And then a blanket to cozy up with. And this one, I'm not sure exactly what my plan was. I had 2 blankets in here for her. It's possible that she maybe is carrying her brother's blanket as well because his backpack is quite a bit smaller. Hers is bigger, she's stronger, so she can help out a little bit with that sort of thing. We have one of these drawing boards, which is super fun to write and draw on, and then you can erase and do it again and again. So we have that. We've got one of her magazines, a new one that she hasn't read yet to keep her interested reading. This is another thing in her bag that is for everyone. It's bigger so it fit in her bag, but it's a box of fidget surprises that I picked up at Target. So this puppet is not wrapped, but all the other ones are wrapped, and so we will open those as needed when things are getting a little bit hairy and we need something interesting and new and fun. Got a couple more surprise type toys. A Disney themed one that I picked up at the dollar store. We've got these fake press-on nails, which is not something that she's ever done before, but these were at the dollar store. They're purple for epilepsy awareness. I thought maybe we'll have time, her and I, on the plane to try this out. They just press on, you don't need anything else. So those are in there just in case. We've got a notebook, which is reminding me if I don't have a pen or some drawing utensils, I'm gonna need to grab some of those. Another surprise toy. The fun of these is not knowing what you're gonna get and then opening it up. This is another one we got from the dollar store. This, I'm not sure if it's genius or a bad idea. But there was a little 3-pack of tiny Play-Dohs at the dollar store, and I think they're the kind that have smells. And I just thought, nope, I think it's regular Play-Doh. It's just a tiny Play-Doh, and I thought one for each of them. Play-Doh sometimes is fun just to squish in your hand. We'll try not to make a mess. See how that goes. First time bringing Play-Doh on a plane. A tiny game of Uno cards for her and I to play, maybe while the other kids are napping or resting or watching a movie. A little stuffy. So these bags were all purchased for the kids by Graham, and she got them specifically for the trip, and she had the little stuffies for each of them and the little Squishmallow backpack chains for each of them as well. So she's got a little Jemima Puddle Duck, and then her raincoat for over in Disney. I'm packing this in the bag just because it's a great place to keep it, and it's small, and I don't know if we'll need it during travel, but it'll be in here if we do. So that's everything in her big pocket. So I'm gonna pack it back up in here and just how it was. The goal is to have just enough to keep them busy, not too much so it's hard to find things, hard to organize, that sort of thing. So this has reminded me, it looks like I do need to grab a pen or something for her to write on her notebook with. And I just still need the headphones as well. In the front pocket, I have one pair of headphones for her. I have some tissues. I have her phone, an old phone of mine that she plays games on when we travel only. I think she's carrying tissues for her brother as well, it looks like. Got her sunglasses and some lens wipes to wipe them from dirty fingerprints, which is the worst. I've got the earplane earplugs that I purchased for each of the kids. Really hoping that we don't have any trouble with ears on the flight. So I got those to help just in case. And then over on this pocket, I have a sanitizing wipe. I'll have a big container of sanitizing wipes in my carry-on. And then each kid, I haven't packed them yet, but one last thing that's gonna go in is empty water bottles for each kid, probably in the side pocket here of hers, and she might end up having to carry one for her brother over here as well because his backpack is pretty tiny. Again, he's only 2, so I'm just gonna grab a pen right now so I don't forget. There it is. It's not too heavy. It's totally doable for her to carry this through the airport and all of those things. So there is hers. Next we'll go through my 4-year-old Wish daughter's backpack. So she's got this cute little ice cream one. So it's more her size. She's got a little Stingray Squishmallow that Graham got her. Let's go through her front pocket first. So she's got tissues, airplane, earplugs, a lens wipe, and her sunglasses in the front pocket. Inside, she's got reading material, some stickers, which she loves, and she can stick these on her color pages or her sister's notebook or on our shirts. A Color Wonder mess-free coloring book, Baby Shark, from the dollar store. These markers are awesome for travel because they only color on this paper. So I grabbed that. For her, we've got a couple different small toys, which she loves. Her little squishy dinosaur. This was something I didn't purchase. This is something she already had. Her little Elsa toy, which I'm pretty sure we got on one of our other travel adventures. Little toys. This is a new one. It's a little fidget puppy dog that I think she'll like. And a little wind-up piggy to play with. Here is the Play-Doh for her. One of her favorite colors is green, so I gave her the green one. She's got some surprise Disney toys. Oh, in Sawyer's backpack, I didn't see this. Each of the kids is supposed to have the little Etch-a-Sketch. I'm not sure where Sawyer's ended up, but tiny Etch-a-Sketch, dollar store. Little tiny surprise toy for her. A blanket to cozy up with. And then her stuffy Peter Rabbit that Graham got her. So she still needs a water bottle, which I'm not sure if her water bottle will fit in this pocket. I may end up putting the little kids' water bottles just in my carry-on if they don't fit in theirs. So their carry-ons are mostly just toys and entertainment. And comfort. Okay. Hers, I feel, is looking pretty good. We also do have the iPad that goes for all three of them. That might fit in her. It's not an iPad, it's a tablet that we have downloaded movies on and games. So that is what my 4-year-old is carrying in her carry-on to Disney. My 2-year-old has this little foxy backpack that is just his size. His little squishmallow is a little walrus. In his side pocket here, I just found out last night that it has one of these leash things. So if he's wearing this on his back, technically we could hold on to this and just keep him close. I'm not sure if we'll use that or not, but it's there. It unclips if we wanted to. I have a little squishy ball that is definitely from one of our other travel trips. We got this on one of Berkeley's medical trial travel trips from the hospital. They gave it. He's got a blanket to cozy up with. He's got some Paw Patrol playing cards. Not that he's really going to be playing card games, but he loves Paw Patrol, and it's just pictures to look through and hold on to, have fun with. He's got a Disney surprise toy as well, and his Play-Doh with a 2-year-old. Tell me I'm not crazy. His Etch-a-Sketch. His sunglasses. He's got lens wipes. And his airplanes. And his little plushie, which is Benjamin Bunny from Graham. So I do need to find out what happened to Sawyer's Etch-a-Sketch, but she does have that other writing board. Alright, so that is what is in my 3 kids carry-ons for a 7-ish hour flight from Washington all the way to Florida. For my 6, 4, and 2-year-old, I'm hoping that I'm really well prepared and that everything that I've put in their carry-ons is going to help us have a nice flight. I will report back and let you know. So thanks for checking out this video today. Hopefully you found some useful information, something that helped you with your packing, or an idea that sparked something for you. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe to our channel. We post travel and adventure videos when we can, as well as sharing our daughter's journey with Dravet syndrome epilepsy and some other fun videos that we like to post as well. So thanks for watching.